So today I'm gonna do a little cut with the chainsaw. We're gonna put this CRAFTSMAN 18-inch chainsaw to the test. I haven't really done any videos on it since I done the unboxing back a couple months ago. But we're gonna, this area here, this is where we bush hogged this last year or earlier in the year. I've got a few taller trees right here, and this area here, when they cut the land, is where they piled all the brush and all. And so I want to get in there and just thin some of them trees out. I've been wanting to do this for a while and just hadn't done it. So I thought I'd take y'all along with me today. And I apologize for this wind noise. It is windy today. Every time I want to make a video, it seems like the wind always kicks up. So I do apologize for that. But we're going to do some cutting in here today. Put this CRAFTSMAN chainsaw to the test. And because in the last video all we cut was pine, and some of this is some small hardwood and then some sweet gum. And but let's get to it and see what we can do. And because I love my ears, put me some earplugs in. I got that side in. All right, I've already topped the fuel off, already filled the bar oil up. Let's crank it up. Go cut some trees. Cuts pretty good. It would probably cut a lot better if I had a new chain or a sharper chain. I had this chain pretty dull. I took it to the store and let them sharpen it. It ain't cutting as good as a new one would, but it still cuts. I'm gonna take a breather here and get back to it. this place here where I'm doing all this cleaning, it's just a mess. I definitely won't get all this cleaned today. I just wanted to come in here and mainly cut some of these bigger trees that I could. So let's keep working that chainsaw. Let's see what it's made out of. Well, my chain popped off, and when it did, it caught that little bar right there. And now I got a little burr on the chain. It won't sit down in the bar. So I guess we're gonna have to go get our other chain and we'll work on this. We'll have to file that down. See if we can get it back in there, but we'll go get the other chain for now so we can keep on rocking and rolling. That's just part of it though. I guess my chain may have got loose on me. Let's go get a chain and get back to it. That was quick. Got the chain swapped out. Got this other chain on. I haven't used this chain since I've gotten it sharpened, so I hope it cuts good. Y'all fixing to find out firsthand. But I couldn't be happier with this CRAFTSMAN 18-inch chainsaw. You know, it's not one of the big brand names, but it works good. I think it's actually made by Husqvarna, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong on that, so if I'm wrong, correct me. You know, it's probably got some of the cheaper parts in it, but I mean, for a homeowner that's not cutting a lot of trees or timber or whatever, you know, it's mostly just here and there. You know, storm comes through, do some cleanup. You're not going to be out there making a living with it, cutting timber every day. But I mean, heck, for the price, you can't really beat it, in my opinion. But let's cut some more. I'll show y'all what else this thing can do. Well, I've got quite the mess to pick up now. That's going to be another day though, because I just wanted to get some of this cut and get it on the ground. I'll come back in here another day and get it picked up. Got some more cutting to do. But y'all don't want to see me cut just all this. That gets kind of boring. God, that wind is rough. I know y'all are thinking, Bobby, that's just small brush. I know it's going to cut that. So let's go, and I'm going to show you what else it can do. So this old tree right here blew down in a storm several months back. So this is some good hardwood in here. I'm gonna cut up some of this. I've already been in here and cut some up, but I never videoed any of it. We're gonna cut some of this up so you can see how good it cuts hardwood too. So as you can tell, that's some pretty tough stuff. Pretty good sized tree too. Probably 10 inches to 12 inches. And hard. God, that stuff's hard. This tree's actually the reason I had to get my chains sharpened. And it don't take long to work on one of those. But this was a pretty long tree, pretty big tree that fell up the road from the house that we got permission to cut up. But I just wanted to show you that this Craftsman chainsaw will cut. So there you go. I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna pick up some of this wood and take it back to the house, and we'll have some more firewood. But if you're considering getting one of these chainsaws, do it. It'll work. You ain't gonna be breaking the bank to buy it. And for a homeowner chainsaw, you can't really beat it, in my opinion. But I'm not one of those chainsaw guys that knows the ins and outs of all of them. I just know what works for me. But hey, if you haven't seen the video of when I unboxed it, well, click right here and click up here to subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one. Appreciate you watching.